Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about actions. For too long, actions have been used exclusively for assessments and correcting non-compliant findings. Traditional case management and audit tools seem to think that's the only point of actions. When designing AdmiralAP, we wanted to make sure that actions were meaningful, visible, and actionable across the platform, and not just as a thing you do when you complete an assessment. I'll be demonstrating two environments today. This here is the AdmiralBridge platform user, and this here is the AdmiralBridge store user. The store user has a more simplified and restricted environment to focus them on the tasks and records that they need to see. Check out our website at AdmiralBridge.com to see the pricing difference between these two environments. Getting back to the actions. This is a homepage component that users will see immediately upon logging into the platform. They will be able to see the open actions assigned to them, any delegated tasks that they've assigned to others, and things that have been recently completed by themselves. In this view, you'll be able to see who assigned the action, the short title, a portion of the long description, the due date, two icons, and a status toggle. If the action is simple and you just want to toggle it off, you can go to the action and simply hit the toggle button. This will complete the action, and on the next page reload, we'll find it in the recently completed. So we give this a page refresh. We can now see that that action has been moved to this area. There are two icons associated with each action in this list. The second icon indicates the related record that this action is connected to. You can connect your actions to sites or locations, assessment responses, location resources like fire suppression system, CCTV, alarm system, safes, keys, as well as any part of an incident record like vehicles, subjects, or items. When looking at these actions here, if you want to launch the action record page, you can click the first icon in the set. Clicking that icon will bring you to the record page for this action. On this record page, you can use the chatter function to write a message to your boss saying, "I'm working on it." Or you can go and add files for attachments for evidence, or create yourself a new note about something more that needs to get done. Going back to the home page, we can also check the related record. So this one here is indicating that it was a fire suppression system that this action is connected to. We'll click on that. Loading into that, again, we have a record page for the fire suppression system record. You can launch the resource management tool, go to the fire suppression system, and you're going to see your action listed right here. This is how you can also add actions for others. So we can create a new action here, and we'll save that. Now we have two actions listed here. So we're going to exit back out of this, go back to our home page, go to our delegated tasks, and now we're going to see that task is listed here for this person to complete. So where can you enter actions? Well, you just saw us enter an action on the resource page. You can also enter actions while completing records. So here's a record that we've created in the past, and we'll go and open up the record details. You can see this is our record entry, as you may have seen before, and now we have actions assigned down here. So each page will have the ability to add actions or edit them. You can add actions on different subjects, vehicles, or items in the very same way. If you were to create actions for store leaders, they would see that in their environment here. Again, the component works the same. You'll be able to go to different records. So if we were to go to this item record here, we can see the item record that they were given an action about. And if we want to edit the item record, we can load it up here. And now that it's loaded, we can see that the actions are listed down here. The store users as well can use these toggles to complete the actions throughout this space. Their goal, of course, should be to have these actions to be completely empty because they would have completed them all. How you use actions in your organization may change slightly, but we'll be able to accommodate those changes within the configurations of this system. Thanks for joining this quick walkthrough of action management with AdmiralAP.